Okay, so what is a power of attorney? A power of attorney is a very important document, especially here in Acadiana. And the reason being is because we have so many people that work in the oil field. And what a power of attorney does, and there's two different types, I'm going to do a video on each one, but the general information on power of attorney is this. It is a document that allows you to name someone to act in your behalf if you become incapacitated. Now, incapacitated can mean different things. You could have a stroke and not be able to basically answer anyone or respond to anyone. You're going to be okay, but temporarily you're incapacitated. I would tell you where it comes in more often is when someone or a family member is diagnosed and has Alzheimer's, they're diagnosed and they have dementia, or it's a combination of both. And here's why. If the person who has the Alzheimer's or dementia has not previously given or signed a document saying, I want this person to act on my behalf if something happens to me, once they're medically diagnosed and there is documentation showing that they no longer understand what they're doing, guess what, y'all? They can't give that authority at that time. It has to be done prior to the diagnosis and prior to a medical document saying, look, they don't know what they're doing. They're not able to basically give that authority. So what's important about a power of attorney is having that person. Look, I think anybody should have it. Anybody that works offshore, whether you're 7 and 7 or you work overseas 28 and 28, you're basically just allowing someone to be able to act in your behalf, typically a spouse. And after the spouse, a lot of times we'll put a secondary person or an alternate. Okay, but a power of attorney simply allows somebody to act on your behalf if you become incapacitated, or if you are working somewheres that they need to basically have authority from you. You're giving that authority to someone. That document is basically there. It's witnessed. It's notarized. Power of attorney by law does not, let me repeat, does not need to be recorded. However, most financial institutions, and if it is a significant transaction, buying a property, home, things of that nature, a lot of times the bank's going to want it recorded. But nonetheless, the most important thing is just having someone named as having authority if something should happen to you, that you become incapacitated, you're working away from home, or the issue of Alzheimer's and dementia comes in. I'll give some more information and other videos on it, but I just wanted you to have a general understanding of what a power of attorney is. Hope it helps. Thanks.